Hey YouTube, how's it going? It's Rich here from RC Barbecue and Cooking and Outdoors. And today what we're going to do is I'm going to be making two whole chickens on my Ugly Drum Smoker for dinner tonight. Should be a quick cook, hopefully less than 2 hours. What I'm doing is I'm kind of doing it like citrus based. I'm going to do like a lemon pepper rub on the outside, and I'm going to try injecting it with a mixture of like orange juice and lemon juice, just to give it some flavor, inside the meat. Going to be making some fresh broccoli, some chicken flavored rice on the side, and side salad to go with it. All right, so I'm going to go outside, get the smoker all set up, and I will show you that, and then come back inside, get the chicken prepped, and get it ready to throw it on. All right, we'll be back in a little bit. Thanks. Alright folks, what I did here is whole chicken. Okay, I didn't do the second one yet, but the whole chicken. Okay, basically sharp shears, cut down both sides of the backbone. Alright, that comes out, trim off all the excess fat. Right in here, there's a bone right here, you split that bone, the breastbone, and what that does is it allows your chicken to lay nice and flat on the grill. Alright. So what I'm going to go ahead and do the other one and get it all ready for the grill. I'll show you after I get it all seasoned up. Okay? Thanks. Okay everybody, I got the chicken all prepped, spatchcocked. I got it rubbed down with some lemon pepper rub. Alright. And now what I'm doing is I made a mixture of lemon juice, orange juice, and a little bit of the lemon pepper rub, and I'm going to inject it a little bit. So I'm just going to get some of that in here. Alright. And I'm just going to go in a little bit, get it in there, a couple spots, nothing crazy. Careful because it sprays out, gotta go slow. Just took a bath. Okay. Right, do the other one. It was about 2 ounces of orange juice, 2 ounces of lemon juice, and like I said, the little bit of the rub. Alright, got that all done. Now I'm going to take it out to the smoker and show you that all set up. Alright folks, what I do is I got about, I don't know, about 15 coals in my chimney starter. They're all ready to go. So I'm going to take the rack off and I'm going to dump the hot coals down in the bottom. Give me 1 second. Okay, so here we go. Alright. Alright. So I got the hot coals in there. I'll let the smoke come up to temperature. I'm ready to throw the chicken on. Be back in a little bit, peeps. Alright folks, I got the two birds on. Starting to get some flame in the charcoal basket, so I'm going to cover it up. And I'm going to try to cook this hot and fast. Try to get this up around 300 in the smoker. Alright, I will show you when they are all finished. Talk to you soon. Okay everybody, chicken is off the smoker. Both chickens. As you can see, I pulled a piece of the wing off. I had to try it, and I'll be honest with you, really tasty. The lemon pepper seasoning, really good. The skin didn't get as crunchy as I would like, but that happens a lot of times when you're smoking chicken. I'm going to, I mean, I did smoke it at like between 315 to 325 degrees on the smoker, but it didn't crisp up as much as I would like. But I'm going to slice it up, plate it up, and I'll show you what it looks like. Be back in a few. Okay folks, here's the meal. Nice romaine lettuce, cucumbers, tomatoes, and black olive salad, chicken flavored rice, fresh broccoli with a little bit of lemon juice and a little pat of butter, and then the chicken off the smoker. I don't know, it's hard to see, but I mean the juice is unbelievable coming out of here. Alright folks, I hope you enjoyed watching. My daughter's getting hungry, my wife's at work, so I'm going to eat with her. And you know, feel free to comment, like, subscribe, tell me what you think. Okay? And I will catch all of you on the next one. Take care everybody. And also, you know, say like I have, say some prayers for the poor people in Texas that are dealing with the hurricane. Alright, keep them in your prayers. Alright everybody, see you later. Bye-bye.